Hello everybody, let's cut it out. Let's cut out DVD inserts. Hello, I did a video about the 5+ things that you could add to your collage glue book. And one of them was the DVD inserts and CDD inserts. So, and I'll link it above and probably below. But so always check, when people are getting ready to send something to the I was going to say the place I do not like, but to the thrift store that donated. I just don't like this one particular store, so I try not to say it. But I do donate there. Oh, what can you do? But I try to donate to an indie thrift store. But first, but check your things out, because or check your donation, especially your family members' donation, because they throw out anything. I always say, wait, let me see it, because I may could use it, and I definitely could use these. So, and you turn the paper and not the scissors. Here we go. See, look at that. You see, this was an Xbox 360 insert. Oh, I want to get him. Oh, the Lego people. Okay, I'll cut him out later. See, that was the insert. Open now for grant savings. But look at that. Oh, Lady in the Tramp. I gotta save some of this. I like him for some reason. That's sad, right? This looks interesting. So I'm not going to be too particular about my cutting right now. And I really liked that picture right there. So, you could just get a lot of interesting images. I already cut out something from the Guardians of the Galaxy. So that's cool. I have not seen any of these. I have not seen this movie. So hopefully it's good. But yeah, look around where you at. This is really, No, I don't like people in my glue books. And I never explained that yet, but one day I will. Unless they're looking down or away. But yet, where is she? I don't know, probably because she's superhero-ish. Okay. I have not seen that movie, so I don't know who these people are. Did I see it? And I just don't remember, or did I see something like it? I don't know. I get in the mood to see Marvel Garden, and then I stop. I don't know, I may have. So much going on in your life that I don't really catch up. Okay, now these I did see. The Rugrats movies, Rugrats Go By Us. I did see all of these. I love these movies. I'll never forget, we were on a road trip to Canada. I had to go with my mother to a conference out in Canada, and we drove. And my son was sitting in the back, he was little. And he was just singing, I got to get you. And my mother, to this day, just remembers singing along with the Rugrats, because we had the soundtrack. What's the soundtrack? No, we had Young people are like, what's that? We had a soundtrack, a DVD, and they just sang and sang along, just sang. So, yeah, that was fun times. So, fun times. Especially, we had to, I'm not going to get anywhere. And we had to detour in upstate New York. Okay, which is fine. Oh, okay, she found her way. This is pre-GPS. She found her way out from that. So, okay, we get over the border, the Canadian border. And at that time, I'm dating myself. You just need your driver's license. And here we are, driving. We get to Montreal. Anybody who knows is French speaking. And the directions stop. And I stopped and looked at her and said, okay, let's get us out of this. And that lady found the hotel. French speak. It was French. The streets were in French. And I looked at her and said, I don't know how we going to get to the hotel now. I looked at her. That lady found it. That lady found the hotel. I was like, kudos to Mom. She says, the nose knows. I was like, It's me. I think we did stop at our gas stations and asked, but bless her heart, she knew how to get out of there. Now, I'm good at, following, recognizing where I am and getting out of places, because if you can read, you won't get lost. However, yet and still, I still to this day don't know how she did it, but my mom's the best. Because I was impressed. Like I said, we were upstate New York, because it wasn't like, the interstate, like Interstate 95 goes straight from Maine into Florida. So you find it, you can't get lost. But, you wound and wound around those rural areas. I don't know, a little bit. Oh. Because I try to tell young people, don't rely on the GPS. GPS will conk on you one day, and you'll be stuck. You get to know the area. Stop zoning out and get to know the area. Look up. Pay attention. You have to look up because you're driving, but pay attention to where you're at. Because if you get turned around, you'll be able to force the GPS to recalibrate. Don't follow the GPS, because you'll be 3 hours away from your destination. I never follow the GPS. I go back. I say, always go back, if to where you started off, your end destination, and follow it back. To force it to, because it'll have you take the long route somewhere. And of course, my son didn't listen. It took him forever to get home from somewhere. And I said, oh, okay, because I don't know what I'm talking about. But, oh, gosh, I said, always force the GPS to go the way you want to go. If you really know where you're going, get back on the highway that you're familiar going. Do not go these back roads. Especially some of us can't. Force it to go the way you want it to go, and then start from there, and it'll help you. But don't sit there and let that GPS take you down and up and around John's Bond, as they used to say back in the day. Because one time it did that, and I was through. It took us 20 minutes to get to this event straight in the car with myself, and it down a hill, around a barn, next to a chicken, and around. Took us forever to get back. I said, a 20-minute ride went this long. So anyway, I had to take my hat off to my mother. I don't know how it got to, let's cut it out, to force a GPS to go the way you want it to go until you get on the, never mind. Anyway, here we are. This is what we had so far. I'm not going to sit and cut them all out. But I know y'all what. Let me put him over here. I don't have as many children as I used to watching the channel because they've all gone back to school. But, yeah, let's put the more positive ones up there. Yeah, this is what got me talking about it. So, yeah. You almost want to put it right there, don't you? You know that wasn't that movie. Oh. Anyway. I don't know why when I sit here and I always have to, what's this? I don't, hope he's not a villain. Look at me. He looks weird. I don't think I'm going to keep him. Cut out. He looks weird. Alrighty. Friends, I'd like to thank you so very much. I was going to say, I always have to organize like a glue book page. Oh, look. He better be a good guy, too. I think he is because it's on the front of the cover. Alright. Oh. Okay. I done got to run in my mouth. Okay, I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Don't forget those CDs and DVD inserts. And let me know if you've seen any of these movies too. Okay, bye.